In this video, we're doing a full honest review of GoHighLevel, what it does, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth paying for. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. GoHighLevel is one of the most talked about all-in-one platforms right now. Some people swear by it and run their entire business on it, while others sign up, feel overwhelmed, and quit within a week. So the real question is GoHighLevel actually worth it for you? Or is it just another overhyped tool? By the end of this video, you'll know what GoHighLevel actually does, in plain English, who it's best for, and who should avoid it, the biggest pros and cons, and whether it makes sense for your business. If you're considering GoHighLevel, or already signed up but not sure if you should stick with it, this video may help you decide. Let's start with what GoHighLevel actually is. At its core, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing, CRM, and automation platform. Instead of using separate tools for funnels, email marketing, SMS, calendars, automations, CRMs, and websites, GoHighLevel tries to put everything under one roof. The main goal is simple: help businesses capture leads, follow up automatically, and close more deals without juggling a bunch of software. But understanding that conceptually is one thing. Let's look at what it actually includes. Rather than listing every feature, let's focus on what most people actually use: CRM and contact management. GoHighLevel stores all your leads and customers in one place. You can track conversations, add tags, view activity history, and see where leads come from. This is the foundation that everything else connects to. Automations and workflows. This is one of GoHighLevel's strongest features. You can automate SMS and email follow-ups, appointment reminders, lead nurturing, and internal notifications. Once set up correctly, these workflows run in the background and save you hours of manual work. Calendars and bookings. Built-in calendars let people book calls or appointments without back and forth messages. You can connect confirmation messages, reminder emails and SMSs, and follow-up automations. Funnels and websites. GoHighLevel includes a funnel and website builder. It's not meant to replace advanced design tools, but it's more than enough for landing pages, lead magnets, booking pages, and simple websites. Next, we have email and SMS marketing. You can send email campaigns, SMS broadcasts, and automated sequences, all tied directly to your CRM and workflows. Now that we know what it does, let's talk about who this platform actually makes sense for. GoHighLevel is not for everyone. And that's important to say. It's best for agencies, freelancers, consultants, coaches, local service businesses, and anyone managing leads and follow-ups. If your business relies on lead generation, appointments, client communication, and automation, then GoHighLevel can replace several tools at once. However, if you're just looking for a simple email tool, a basic website builder, or a beginner-friendly platform with minimal setup, then GoHighLevel might feel like too much. Which brings us to one of the biggest talking points: complexity. Let's be honest, GoHighLevel has a learning curve. When you first log in, there's a lot. Menus, settings, automations, options. This can feel overwhelming at first, but here's the key thing that most people miss. GoHighLevel isn't hard, it's just deep. Once you understand how contacts flow through the system, how triggers and actions work, and how calendars and workflows connect, everything starts to click. The people who struggle the most are the ones who try to do everything at once instead of starting simple. Let's talk pricing, because this is where GoHighLevel actually becomes interesting. As of now, GoHighLevel offers a starter option at $97 per month, an unlimited option at $297 per month, and SaaS Pro at $497 per month. At first glance, $97 seems high, until you compare it to replacing email software, SMS tools, calendars, CRMs, and funnel builders. For many businesses, it ends up being cheaper than stacking multiple tools. The real value comes when you actually start using the automation features, not just the basics. Now that you understand what GoHighLevel can do and how it fits into a real business workflow, let's take a balanced look at its strengths and limitations. Like any powerful platform, it has clear advantages, but it's not the perfect fit for everyone. Pros: it's an all-in-one platform. GoHighLevel replaces multiple tools by combining CRM, funnels, emails, SMS automations, and reporting in one place. Extremely powerful automations. You can build advanced, multi-step workflows that save time, reduce manual work, and create consistent follow-ups at scale. Built for scaling. Whether you're managing one business or multiple client accounts, GoHighLevel is designed to grow with you. Great for agencies and service businesses. It's especially strong for lead generation, client management, and recurring services. Strong community and frequent updates. There's an active community, plenty of resources, and regular improvements to the platform. The cons. Learning curve for beginners. Because it's so powerful, it can feel overwhelming at first if you're brand new. Interface can feel busy. With many features available, the dashboard may take time to get comfortable with. Overkill for very small or simple businesses. If you only need basic email or rescheduling, GoHighLevel might be more than you need. It requires proper setup to see the results. The platform won't work its magic unless automations and pipelines are set up correctly. GoHighLevel is not just a plug-and-play tool. It's a system. And that brings us to the most important question. Is GoHighLevel worth it? GoHighLevel is worth it if you want to automate follow-ups, you manage leads or clients, you're willing to invest time to learn the system, and you want everything in one place. It's probably not worth it if you want something extremely simple. You don't plan to use automations, and you only need one small feature. GoHighLevel rewards people who build systems, not people looking for shortcuts. So, is GoHighLevel worth it? For the right business, absolutely. When set up properly, it can replace multiple tools, save time, and help you follow up faster and more consistently, which directly impacts revenue. If you want to try it for yourself, you can use the link in the description to get an extended 30-day free trial. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Using that link helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you GoHighLevel tutorials. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.